Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all having an awesome day so far. Today I've got something really cool for you. 3 exercises that can help correct an uneven jaw or facial structure. If you're new here, we talk about everything self-development, men's lifestyle, fitness, facial structure. You name it, we've got it covered. So if that sounds good to you, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you never miss a video. Now, unfortunately, there's not a ton of research out there on facial asymmetry, but what we do know is that it can be seriously annoying. It can cause pain, clicking, popping, and even locking of your jaw. And that's not even mentioning how it can affect your appearance from an aesthetic standpoint. So, I totally get why you'd want to correct this. Unevenness in the jaw or face is usually caused by habits rather than genetics. It's often the result of repeating the same action over and over again. For example, if you were to curl a dumbbell with one arm 100 times a day but not the other, you'd end up with one arm that's way more developed than the other. Just like when you chew only on one side or sleep on one side of your face, it's natural for the other side to become underdeveloped. That's why I'm going to share 3 exercises you can start doing today. The first one isn't exactly a functional exercise, it's more of a lifestyle change, and that's correct tongue posture. You need to have proper tongue posture because asymmetry in your facial structure is often caused by a narrowing of your maxilla. The main reason for this narrowing is not having your tongue in the right position. So what you need to do is press your tongue fully against the roof of your mouth at all times. It's crucial to have your tongue firmly pressed against the roof of your mouth, especially in the posterior third. The pressure should stop just before your teeth start. This way, you're maintaining constant pressure against the roof of your mouth, which actually forces your maxilla to expand. As it expands, it moves forward, helping to correct any malocclusion or crowding of your teeth and addressing muscle imbalances that can lead to facial unevenness. When you have consistent upward pressure from one of the strongest muscles in your body, your maxilla, the roof of your mouth, has no choice but to move upward and outward. This brings balance back to your face. Now I'm going to show you 2 functional exercises you can start doing to correct your facial asymmetry. Another cause of asymmetry is different lengths in your facial muscles, and especially the masseter muscle. So the first exercise is the downward stretch. So, here's how you do it. First, place your thumbs right under your cheekbones to hold your face in place. Then, gently stretch your mandible, the lower part of your jaw, downward for about 10 seconds. This is the first exercise. The next exercise is the lateral stretch. First off, you want to press gently on either side of your jaw to see which side is tighter. You'll feel some tension on the side that's more tight. Once you've identified it, apply firm pressure to each side of your jaw, pushing it in the opposite direction for about 10 seconds. It should look something like this. You'll do 1 set on each side, then 2 more balancing sets on the side that was tighter. Do these 2 exercises about twice a day, and over time, you should start to see some correction in that facial asymmetry. I hope these tips work for you guys. Just remember, if your asymmetry is severe, you might need a medical device like an expander or, in rare cases, surgery. So keep that in mind. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, please subscribe and turn on those post notifications so you never miss an update. Until next time, bye.